Hi everyone, it's Momomochi and today I'm going to teach you some greetings in Japanese. So first, the actual word for greeting in Japanese is aisatsu. And today I'm going to teach you many aisatsu that you would need in Japan. First, I'll start with the opening greetings such as hello, good morning, good afternoon, and then move on to closing greetings such as goodbye, see you later, and good night. So the first one I'm going to teach you is Ohayo-Gozaimasu. This means good morning. It's quite formal, so you could say it to your coworkers, to your boss, or to your teacher. The more casual version of this would just simply be Ohayo. This is the version that you can use to your friends or people you are close with. The next aisatsu I'm going to teach you is probably the most obvious one, and I'm sure you've heard it before many times. Konichiwa. Many foreigners believe that Konichiwa means hello, and it does, but it's actually daytime specific. So roughly, it could be good afternoon. You can use this to greet your colleagues or your friends when meeting them for plans in the afternoon. The reason I say it's midday specific is because if you were to meet your friends in the evening for dinner and you greeted them with konnichiwa, it would sound a bit odd. The reason for that is because there's actually a specific greeting for the evening, which I will teach you next. The next greeting is Konbanwa. This means good evening. This is the greeting you can use to your friends when meeting them for dinner or for plans. It's usually used after 5 p.m. Sayonara. Sayonara is probably an expression that you've heard in many Japanese movies and TV shows. While it does mean goodbye, it's actually quite formal sounding, so it can be interpreted as more of a farewell. You typically wouldn't use this to say goodbye to your friends in the evening after hanging out with them if they are friends you're going to see again soon. Sayonara is what you would use if your friend is moving away to a different country or going off to college. It's for occasions when you won't see them for a long time. It does not mean the same thing as see you later, as there's another expression for that. If you want to sound more casual when saying goodbye, you can use jamata. This means see you again and is very equivalent to the English phrase see you later. Another way to say this is mata ne, which means see you again. And another way to say it is ja ne. This is very casual sounding, and these are the phrases you can use to say goodbye to your friends after a group outing. Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai means good night. Obviously, this is the one you would use at nighttime. You can say this after leaving your friends from an outing or to your colleagues after going home for the night. It can also be used at home when you are ready to go to bed. You can say this to your family members or your roommates. If you're close with your roommates and friends, you can use the more casual version, oyasumi. The final greeting I'll teach you today is essential to know if you plan on working in Japan. Otsukare-sama desu. While there isn't exactly an English equivalent to this phrase, it comes from the verb tsukareru, which means to be tired or worn out. So it could be loosely translated as thank you for your hard work today or thanks for such a tiring day. It serves to show appreciation to your coworkers for their dedication and their hard work. This is also an expression you might hear at the end of a musical performance. Oftentimes, idols or music artists will thank their crew members for their hard work during the performance, as well as the audience for their participation and attention during the concert. The expression otsukare almost belongs in a category by itself and would probably be better explained in a separate video. But it also fits with greetings and parting ways with someone, so I wanted to include it in this video as well. Well, that's all for today, everyone. I hope you will have chances to practice and use greetings and partings in Japanese. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!